the parliamentary group meeting agreed with the President on a parliamentary bipartisan approach in resolving such matters. Consequently, the PG nominates the following members to lead our team in this process. 1, the Honorable Boni Khalwale, Senator Kakamega. 2, the Honorable George Murugara, the Member of Parliament, Tharaka. 3, Honorable Senator S.C. Okenyuri, nominated Senator. 4, the Honorable Mwengi Mutuse, Member of Parliament, Kibwezi West. 5, the Honorable Lydia Haika, Women Representative, Taita Taveta. 6, the Honorable Senator Hilary Sigei, Senator Bomet County. And 7, the Honorable Adan Keynan, MP Eldas. The parliamentary group reaffirms our commitment to the rule of law and constitutionalism and appreciates the role of the opposition to oversight and criticize government. However, as a PG, we affirm our support to the efforts by the government on policies that are geared towards stabilizing our economy, lowering the cost of living, creating jobs. As a PG also, we resist the attempts by the opposition to force or blackmail the government to implement failed policies of the last regime that drove the country into economic mess, including the corruption-ridden consumption subsidies, irresponsible borrowing, and gross fiscal mismanagement through the state capture.